This tutorial outlines how to create book citations through the WorldCat integration in NoodleTools. WorldCat connects you to the collections of more than 10,000 libraries worldwide and 2 billion items. On the library homepage, under Research and Citation Guides, you will find a collection of NoodleTools print tutorials and screencasts. This tutorial will cover the same information found in the NoodleTools Book Citations Guide. I will begin by logging into my NoodleTools account. If you have not created an account, please consult the directions found in the registration PDF or screencast. Once you've chosen your project, on the Sources tab, you'll click on the green New Source button. If the book is in print, select Print or in Hand. If the source is an ebook, select File, App, Ebook. My source is a print book, so I will click on Print or in Hand. Next, I will click on Book. In the second section, where it says Import, there's a drop-down menu that lets you select ISBN, title, or author editor. I will select Title and enter my book title, Nothing But Freedom. Then I'll hit Search to see the results. There will usually be a few versions, so find the one that is your title. In this case, I'm looking at the 1983 edition. I will select this one and then click Import Selected Source. Review the imported data and make corrections where needed. Note that NoodleTools makes an intelligent first pass over the data to autocorrect the imported elements based on the citation style you're working with, but you will often still need to make revisions. Click Continue to import the source into your project. Again, you'll want to look over all the information, but once you think it's good, click Save to complete your citation. My book source is now in my project source list. As always, feel free to ask any of the librarians if you have any questions.